All right, everyone, welcome back. This is Devon Bell. Uh, I just want to congratulate you guys and welcome you guys to, the industry of trading. And, what you're about to begin is nothing easy. All right, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it, but they're not. Okay, so again, I want to congratulate you. I want to welcome you, and I want to go ahead and kind of show you all what global currencies is and what the university is and what we have to offer, right? So if you haven't done so yet, I want you to go to whether you have an iPhone, whether you have an Android, I want you to go to your store and download the app. All right. This messenger app is not only going to allow you to access GCU, Global Currencies University, but it's also going to let you access chat features. You can video call, you can audio call, video conference with multiple people, screen share, all that. All right, it's gonna be very useful when you're trying to learn from other people and see other people's charts. All right, this is how you can see other people's charts through your smartphone. All right, so you can come to globalcurrency.com, click on the Messenger tab, and click on whether the App Store or the Play Store, whichever whichever device you have. All right, and be sure to you know leave a good review. All right, so here we can see that it's right here in the Apple Store, and we can see it right here in the Play Store. All right, so once you do that, I want you to come back into your dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and start discussing some of these features. So immediately, you can see your name up here. This is your profile section, right? This will immediately take you to the dashboard, immediately take you to your profile, or you can see your badges. And what I went ahead and did was I opened these up in new tabs, so we can go ahead and check those out. Your profile page shows you all the courses that you are enrolled in. Um, just details about yourself, some of the badges that you've earned. Um, just it's kind of a collection of information that the system has collected from you. And you know, something new that we've added to GCU are badges. Not only do you level up in GCU, but you earn badges, and some are as simple as signing up through GCU. You get your first badge when you include your first name, email address, city, and town, which is required when you register. So this is a welcome badge. Now throughout, there's going to be more badges being added, but these are the ones that we have so far. And you know, on this profile, I've acquired three. Some people, you know, have more, some people have less, but there's gonna be more badges coming, and you know, I encourage you guys to go out and try to collect as many badges as possible. All right, so like I said, we have that feature as well as experience, right? The more experience you earn, the more successful you will be. The more prizes and bonus features you will unlock. All right, and this is true because it takes time to level up. You can get through your first level easy, right? But the basically to get to level 2 is going to take longer. To get to level 3 is going to take even longer. So our level system is based on 15 levels from novice to master. So starting out, once you get to your second level is when you're a novice. All right. Then you become a rookie, beginner, talented, skilled, intermediate. Sorry about that. This is all based on trade skill. Okay, so you can be a skillful trader, a seasoned trader, proficient trader, experienced, advanced, senior, expert, all the way to master trader. And that's where I want to get you guys. But it's not gonna be easy. Okay, I don't want you thinking that any of this is going to be easy, but this is a pretty solid way you can track your progress. Um, so, like I said, we have a lot of features that will keep you encouraged along the way. All right, so here we can see events of trade rooms, webinars that we have going on throughout the week, as well as we can see them on the calendar here. Um, Over here, you have your basic layout of the courses, and I guess I'll go ahead and talk about the elephant in the room. I'll address that. A lot of people, they see the video analysis, the chart analysis, economic calendar, and then down at the bottom, you saw we have the signals. So the economic calendar is going to be crucial. Um, you'll really start learning more about that in 105, but it's basically a list of economic reports that are generated throughout the week. So this is going to be crucial when you're trading currencies because currency is the in a sense is one of the key factors or key elements that determine the value of an economy. So when you're trading currencies, you're basically calculating and analyzing economies. All right. So with that, we have daily chart analysis. We don't only do Forex, S&P 500. We do different indices, right? CFDs. Um, these chart analysis will, we go over why, how, and when we got these markups for these charts, and this happens daily. So it's a lot of hands-on learning. So you can go ahead and mark up your charts with us, and that way you get more experience with that. And this happens daily, right? Even if you're not gonna trade S&P 500, go ahead and mark up your chart. Watch the video. That way you get some more experience under your belt as a trader. So, like I said, guys, today is the 8th. It is actually 3:51 a.m. So, right, these are actually pretty new. Uh, and over here, we also have daily video analysis where you guys get the videos of how everything is done, and kind of what we see the economy is doing in different currencies. All right. So, and like I said, these are also daily videos that you should be using to your advantage. Scrolling down, we have live analysis, and a lot of people, they know these as signals. Because you have your take profit, your stop loss here. Now, depending on your broker, depending on your broker, because a lot of brokers operate differently. Don't only use this. If your broker is known for stop hunts, which means that they go after your account pretty much, you want to be a lot more conservative with your take profit and stop loss levels. Now we can see that this this pair went bullish about 19 minutes ago based on two key indicators. Down here, 19 minutes ago again, we we see that this pair went bullish, and it gives us our take profit and our stop loss levels. And so just off of that, I'm not personally going to go in and use these numbers, but what I will see is a correlation, right? I see that the New Zealand dollar right here on both pairs is in a good buy right now. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my chart and I'll look at the New Zealand dollar and see what's going on. So another good feature is to have this have that notify you, right? If you're on your mobile phone, you'll get the notifications. I trade using my desktop, so what happens is is I'll get the notifications right here. They'll pop up like I get an email, and it'll tell me, right, New Zealand. Look at that. That's 3 New Zealand dollar pairs that are going bullish. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and check that out. I don't trade NZD, but I actually look at, you know, I look at other charts just to reconfirm my understandings. So there's nothing wrong with that. Uh, but yeah, guys, this is Global Currencies University, and just a quick preview. Um, we teach all levels. All right, so when you sign up and you go through Forex 101, I don't want to hear that you know you skipped all the lesson plans just to take the quiz because you thought you knew what a pip was, etc., etc. There are basic principles in this course. I'm not going to lie to you and say everything is just brand new, because there hasn't been anything new in the forex industry for the past 10, 20 years. Okay, so yes, there is some basic information in here, but the way that it's applied, the way that you're learning it in this course is very rigorous, okay? And what that does is it helps you retain it. Because if you go to another site, you just read information on, what a pip is and lot sizes, 9 times out of 10, you're going to forget it, right? 2, 3 months down the line, when you blow your account, you're not going to know why. You're not going to know that you're over leveraging your account, and just basic stuff like that. So, I mean, immediately, I've gone through and added information into and throughout this university that you're not going to find anywhere else. Okay, it's not nothing new, no, but you're just not going to find it anywhere. And I definitely challenge you to not only look for that stuff, right? Because it's embedded in here. And if you do happen to ever find it, then let me know. And the easiest way to do that is, we can see 9 people online right now. You come here, you find my name, you shoot me a message and let me know. Obviously, there's 10 people online because I'm online, but you're not going to see me because I'm logged in. So, and that's another thing, is you always have people that are active and engaged, and so you can reach out to them. It's 3:56 a.m., about 4 o'clock in the morning. I haven't slept yet, but I've been talking to people, mentoring people all throughout the night, and I have no problem with doing that. 'Cause I love seeing people succeed. Uh, this opportunity that you come across is, you know, there's not much like it. Okay, so I mean, you've seen the dashboard. This is just a preview of one of the courses in GCU. On top of that, we have a library that contains videos of recorded trade rooms, webinars, other teachings. We have books, so you can check out our books. They're free. You can read them, earn more points, earn more experience, because these are your level and your points. They are going to actually matter here in the near future. And I'll be releasing more information on that in future videos. Okay. And on top of that, we have handouts, which is where you can find and access key information. Like, there's a book out there with over 300 pages just on candlesticks, right? And I mean, you wouldn't know that unless you went through GCU and clicked on that section. You open it up, it's a PDF. Now you have all this information, right? And indicators. Because, in the library, in the videos, we have the market maker course. A lot of people are hot and heavy on that. And, I mean, that's a $5,000 course that you now get for free just for being a member with GC. So you access that, and there's going to be indicators, throughout that 12 week that 12-week course. There's going to be lots of key indicators that you're going to need, templates, and so that's where you come to download those, and so you can begin to use them. All right. So GCU isn't just Forex. Uh, I trade binary options. Uh, there's different types of binary options. So, CFDs, it's it's intense. All right, and I'm not just saying that. From the time and effort that I put into it, there's a lot to it, and so I definitely want to see you guys in here. Um, you know, I want to see group messages going back and forth. There's a there's different rooms in here. There's some games in here that you can just play, clear your mind if you just took a rough exam. That's another thing. The exams are rough. Okay, they're not like the high school or college quizzes and exams where you just use common sense and you can get the answer right. No, like I purposely am here to trick you to make sure you know what you know, because when it comes to your money, your grades are going to be relevant. All right. So if you're getting 60s and 70s on your quizzes, it's really going to show in your profits in your trading account. Um, and as a matter of fact, just in 101 alone, the required grades to pass are 80s. Then moving on, once you get to the exam, you need an 85 just to pass. Okay, anything below that is failing, and eventually it becomes 90s. So I take into account that this is your money. This is what you're trying to make that transition into becoming a full-time day trader, an investor. So if you're not going to take this serious, I'm going to take it serious enough for the both of us. All right. But all I need for you to do is apply yourself. You got a lot of support. We have the Facebook Messenger chat. We have this chat, which allows us to, get on video calls with, a group of people. So you can do that on here. You can do that on the Messenger app. So I highly encourage you to go ahead and go download that right now and continue on with this. This is the Forex 100 guide, which is course 0. And this is basically explaining and showing you how to use GCU. So thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. I look forward to hearing from you, reading your messages. Let me know that you watched this video, right? Let me know that you watched this video. Comment, post, tag me in a Facebook post. Do something that will let me know that you watched this video, and you will be rewarded for going the extra mile. All right. Thanks, guys.